Hi foodies, how are you doing today? We are making some delicious honey-hoisin salmon today. Let's get into it. So what we have here, guys, is our salmon fillet pieces, and they were rinsed, pat dried, and now I'm just gonna drizzle some olive oil all over. This helps the seasoning to stick, and it also helps to prevent the salmon from sticking to the pan as well. So rub that all over. We're gonna flip it over, and if you need to drizzle a little more, that's fine. If not, just continue to rub it all over. Now let's go in and season this. We're using some garlic powder today. We're gonna keep it very simple, guys. Okay, just like my honey garlic salmon video, very simple. So let's get that garlic powder in there, then some ginger powder, and then some onion powder. Of course, you know that these two like to go together. And then we'll add some paprika, just a little bit, okay? And rub that in. If you want to use seasoned salt instead of all of these, you could do that as well. And then some freshly ground pepper. Now, whatever we do on this side, we're just going to flip the salmon over and repeat the steps. So put all the seasonings all over and rub that in. All right. Then we have our non-stick pan here with some canola oil. Try to use a wide pan and lay all the salmon pieces into the oil. And then we're going to be cooking this for just about 3 minutes on this side. Okay. While that's cooking, let's whisk up some delicious ingredients. Okay. We're going to be going in with some hoisin sauce. And hoisin sauce is kind of like an Asian barbecue sauce because it's salty and sweet. It's really delicious. So we're going to be using that and some soy sauce. And we will go in with some honey. Okay. We're also going to add some lemon juice. This is salmon. Okay. Citrus goes well with seafood. So we'll set this aside and check on the salmon. Now we are going to flip these over. So that's after about 3 minutes. Okay. Flip this over. And then we will add our other ingredients. Okay. I'm going to go in with some unsalted butter. We don't want salted butter because the soy sauce and the hoisin sauce is salty already. So just move this around, allow it to melt, and then we will add some finely minced garlic. Now I'm adding all of these to the pan with the salmon in there. If you are not confident and you feel like, you know, you're going to break up the salmon doing it this way, you can remove the salmon from the pan and then do the sauce, and then return the salmon to the pan after you've made the sauce. That's if you feel like, you know, you're going to break up the salmon doing it this way. Okay. So we're going to go in with some ginger. You can use some freshly minced ginger, or if you have your ginger paste, you could just add it here. And then just mix everything. Just move it all around in the pan. Okay. As I said, you can take the salmon out and do the sauce first, then add them back to the pan if you prefer. Now let's pour in that flavorful liquid. Okay, so our salmon is gonna just complete its cooking now. Okay, so that's about 2 minutes. So you just want to simmer this and spoon that liquid all over the salmon as it completes its cooking. We don't want to go over 5 minutes, sometimes 6 minutes if it's super thick, but you don't want to overcook the salmon, guys. Okay. And after you spoon that over, that's it. You're just gonna garnish with your green onions. You know, you can use parsley if that's what you have, but I want to use the green onions to keep that Asian flavor, and some sesame seeds as well. Just sprinkle on as much as you like. And that's it. You are good to go. Delicious. As far as side dishes, guys, this goes well with some quinoa or some plain rice, some mashed potatoes, bok choy, broccoli. Really, really nice. And I can't wait to hear what you think, guys. So let me know once you make this deliciousness, all right? You take care.